Welcome to my channel, Tech and Wheels with Pat. This is tips and tricks number 15. So I'm going to show you a little trick about the rear camera, which I discovered, and it's quite useful. So let's tune in. So here we are, press the brake pedal, put on reverse. Now it shows the screen. Have you seen that arrow on the left side? Here, usually when you reverse, you have the distance with the back sensor showing you how far away you are from an obstacle. So what we do, we can press on that arrow if you need a brighter view of the back when you're driving and when there isn't any obstacle. So you have to do two things. So it's a little bit shaky with the camera. So I reverse, and you'll see when I come to the yellow part, the car appears as well. So it means it doesn't affect the distance or the camera. So that's for the tips and tricks of the day. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, just let me know. And if you want, I can as well put your name as a shout out, like I did on my previous video. So have a nice day. Bye bye.